Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and in today's episode, Gramps is finally leaving the garage for the first time in about a year. The body is back down, as we saw in the last video. If you haven't checked it out, hit that link up in the top of the screen here. But Eric's on his way over to pick up Gramps to bring him over to his shop to finally get him complete. So super excited about that. I hope you guys are too. Before Eric gets here, there's one thing over here on the workbench that I want to show you guys that has been a problem on the truck for quite some time now. Didn't even realize it, so let's take a look at it. Before we jump in today's video, if you guys are enjoying the Gramps series, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into today's video. So I showed in the last video that Gramps is all loaded up. You can see my converter up there and a bunch of parts. The intercooler radiators in the back and all the turbo stuff's in the bed of the truck. So Gramps is pretty much all ready to go. And before we head over to the workbench here, I want to just take a quick second to show you my son's mini bike. I came out and he had figured out a way to rig up a ski to the front of his mini bike, which is super cool. Now there's no snow, so he can't use it, but I'm really excited to see how that works out for him. A pretty fun little bike there. I rode it in the end of one of my videos a couple videos ago. Let's head over here to the workbench. So it turns out, if you guys remember, a long time ago my blow-off valve started making a different noise. I mean, it sounded cool, kind of gave that pulsating sound that a blow-off valve kind of makes. But it turns out that the diaphragm inside was completely dislodged, and I don't even know how to show it to you here, but you can see the deformation here. This is the only part that was left attached to the diaphragm. So it turns out this whole time I had a massive boost leak coming through the blow-off valve. So that means a couple of things. One, we need a new blow-off valve. Need some recommendations for that. Hey, buddy. You want to say hi? You goofball. Eric recommended a tile, which is probably a great choice. But once we get that fixed, that means we're going to be able to make a lot more boost with less effort, because we don't have a huge boost leak. So anyway, you got to keep that in mind when we're putting wastegate springs in the new motor. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. The old Chinese blow-off valve is toast. So Eric did say he does have another eBay one at his shop, that if I can't get a different one in time, we can always throw that one on just to drive it until we get the correct one. So anyway, Gramps is headed out of the garage. Eric should be here any minute to load it up on the trailer. Oh dang, full service. There he is, the man himself, Eric, Racing Ram Fam. Look at that. Got the whole race set up just for Gramps. Now the fun part, get it loaded. All right, here he is. The man, the myth.
Trying out here.
Racing Ram Fam.
Yes.
Staring at his pile of parts here.
Project. No.
Yeah.
Get Gramps all back together.
Yeah, looking
Running
for
again, having fun.
Yeah. Get back to the fun part.
Yeah, of driving it. Out of it blowing up.
We were just discussing whether the truck was going to roll down the hill into that garage or not.
Yeah,
So,
I don't think it will.
Hopefully not.
Okay. Not the motor's part. Plus you can shove it in park if it gets too sketchy.
Right. So he brought the whole, it's really dark, but he brought the whole,
Yeah, my toter and trailer.
the whole race setup.
Yeah. Did you leave the keys?
No, I got to turn the keys back down so it fits in the trailer.
Yeah, otherwise we're going to have to ratchet strap it down.
So yeah, here we go.
Let's get in a trailer. Let's get loaded up. Shall we? Get all of it.
Oh. Oh, we're gonna be able to push it up. I might have to back this motor up. Hey, just start it up.
You just turn the key real quick.
So I was sitting in the truck. Eric was pushing. Totally forgot this oil pan was under here. He about slipped and died trying to push the truck over the center bump from the lift there. But he just backed the trailer up, so we're a little closer. I forgot we got to turn the keys down still.
What did I say? It's not even half pulled out. So I think it moves. Alright.
Should be good there. Good.
Oh man. Forgot about this part. Yes.
Yeah, it needs a door right there.
Big boy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there we go. Gramps is all loaded up in the Racing Ram Fam race trailer. Headed off to Casa de Ram Fam.
Yeah, on the hoist.
On the hoist, yep.
Yeah.
So next time you see Gramps, it'll be at Eric's place. There it goes. Whew, it has been a while since I've seen this stall empty. That is a good look. Yeah, be looking forward to cleaning it up a little bit. I got some videos I want to do on the Armada from underneath, so put that thing on the lift. Be good to just rotate tires again. So you'll notice the block is still sitting over here, the new built block. Eric's just gonna swing back by tomorrow, pick it up on his way home from work. It'll be a lot easier than trying to roll it in to the car trailer with Gramps in the car trailer. So I'll pick that up, but everything else is gone. All the parts are gone off the shelf. So now I'm gonna do my best, get over to Eric's place, and Eric said he's gonna try to do a little bit of filming for me. I don't want him to do too much because, as he knows, because he does YouTube as well, you definitely work a lot slower when you're trying to film too. So I want to respect his time, but I do appreciate him offering to be able to film some of the process. So in some upcoming videos, you'll probably see me and him updating you on the process of Gramps, as well as me going over there to get some updates, show you how things are going. So this was a big step, getting Gramps out of the garage for the first time in a year. It's been almost exactly a year since he blew up at the drag strip at Rock Falls Raceway in Wisconsin. Now it's time to get him back on the road again. Casey's already reached out to me offering to get the tune going for the new engine with the new cams and the new everything. So we should be rocking and rolling when it's time to get Gramps back on the road again. So thank you to Eric, thank you to Casey, thank you to everybody that's helped get Gramps going again. I really do appreciate it. So as always, links and email down below if you guys are interested in Auto Detour merch. Yeah, whole new open garage stall to work with. Hope you guys are excited. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next time.